Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the Onvif Device Manager app, local network access, and camera credentials. Open the program and allow it to access your LAN so discovery can run. Click Refresh and watch the device list populate. This step shows why discovery matters. It maps reachable devices by IP. If a camera appears, select it to begin. If it does not, make sure PC and camera share the same subnet, and that firewalls are not blocking UDP broadcast. Once you log into a discovered device, you will test and configure streams. You enter credentials, then open the Live Video tab to confirm video and audio. This verifies authentication and codec support. Next, check profiles to see available resolutions and RTSP endpoints. Copy the exact URL for NVRs or players. Use PTZ controls if supported to confirm movement. Make sure to change stream resolution only if bandwidth allows, because higher settings increase data and may drop frames on slow links. You finish by saving any profile or export file, then verify the camera works in your target system. Test the RTSP URL in VLC or your NVR for continuous playback. This proves the feed and authentication are correct. If things go wrong, first recheck credentials and IP conflicts, then confirm Onvif is enabled in camera settings and that firewalls allow needed ports. Finally, restart the camera and Onvif Device Manager. Often a simple reset clears session or discovery glitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.